So I recently got a message on Instagram, and it was just an image that was kind of like a cartoon snippet where it was a woman saying that basically I'm a business startup that helps other business startups start up. And I thought that was pretty funny, but I'm not sure how it was intended, but I didn't take it any harm. I just chuckled at it a little bit. But I actually got to thinking about it and just kind of thinking, like, do people really think that because they're just getting started, they have nothing to say? So today I want to talk about that in this video. What's up guys, it's Diana here with Entree Woman TV, and this channel is all about helping you start your business and live your passion even despite your 9-to-5 job. So if that's something that you're into, definitely consider subscribing. So what you know is really enough. I don't care if it's something that you think is so simple or that you think is super complex. You all have something that is worthy of teaching and sharing, because there's always going to be somebody that wants to know what you know. When I first got started learning about business in my early 20s, I started thinking, man, this is crazy. There's so many different things out there, and I need to know about this tax stuff. And everybody keeps talking about you can get certain write-offs for your business, but how do you actually go about doing that? I had ran into certain issues when it comes to personal development, and just at the time thinking that I was too young and that nobody would listen to me. And I started to learn different things, just really starting to just dig deep, go on a mental fast, and just learn a lot of personal self-development, study all the business books and all those good things. Then people start to ask me questions. And I'm thinking, man, you've been in business X, Y, and Z years. It's like, don't you know that? I'm thinking I'm behind and that I don't know anything. And people are coming to me asking me questions. Fast forward when I hired my first business coach, and I started to, just tell them what my vision was and what I wanted to do, and helping people get past that first initial block of how to actually start the business and doing the things that they love. And he said, well, it's one thing that you need to do, and that's be on video. Didn't even take pictures and still really don't, but he's like, you need to get on video. I disagreed, because I figured if I want a certain level of success that I'm saying that I want, I should be willing to do the things that are uncomfortable for a time until they get there. And wind up discovering a whole new passion that I never even knew I would have had I never got started and jumped over that initial hurdle of, I really don't like being on camera. I really love docudramas that depict, what, issues in World War II were like for the soldiers and things like that. You see a lot of different scenarios. So one of the things I always thought was that I would be very, very scared to go into a battle with somebody that has never been in a battle before, versus being led by a leader that's at least been through one battle in the war, because they will know so much more than you that haven't even gotten your boots dirty. And that's the same concept when it comes to getting started and doing what you know. One person I recently discovered, and I'm really, really just so thankful that I found her channel, was a channel called Simply Sherry. And what she talks about is organization, home organization. She is saving my life right now. And you would think that that's something that's so simple, nobody needs it, but apparently there's a whole host of people that need, want, and like her content. So knowing that you will always continue to be able to teach that person something else. There's a lot of different things that I haven't even started to cover on this channel that I can't wait to get to, like how to build an email list, how to build your own website, how to take your own website and write your own web copy so that it converts visitors into people that join your email list and eventually leads to sales. How the government gives you $300 to $400 a month so that you can start your own business. Or videos like I just recently did, where I start getting into the camera settings on just an older used camera and how to get professional videos so that you can share your message no matter what gear that you're using. So I would encourage you, what's something that you can teach somebody that you know that maybe you think isn't that big of a deal, but you still can help somebody learn and grow from where they are to where you are, or begin to get where you are. So let me know down in the comments down below. So thanks for checking out today's message. I definitely would encourage you to share this message with somebody that you think needs to hear it. And then make sure that you join the Entree Insiders list. If you want to continue the conversation, get some of the tips that maybe I don't share on this particular channel, then I'm able to go more in depth in and just become a part of that Entree Insiders community at dinagladney.com/Entree Insiders, link down below. So as always, my friends, live with passion. I'll see you guys on the next video.